Hey YouTube, this is how to close your xBox now part 2. So the things I just took out was the fan and stuff, so you have to put that back in. It's kind of tricky, but it's kind of fun to do sometimes. Watching NFL live right now. Wait a minute, I need to get this in. There we go.
I'm a huge Tom Izzo guy. I love him. I think he's an incredible coach and a great leader, but as tough as demanding
And it's in. And I have to plug those two back in. I did it. So this is what you have to do first.
Who wants to be in complete control. I think he's going to want to deal with 12 different guys who
Hold on, what
put
the
various
fuck?
agendas in front of his and the teams. Furthermore,
so you do this.
You take that job is to coach a guy like LeBron.
Put the top on with the silver and the motherboard spad. You have to make sure it's lined up with the thing. Okay? Make sure not to break your button like I did and screwed.
I'm not saying this is an easy call, but on him, I'm saying
I just teared it off. Little button.
Because by the end of last season, the only thing he was doing all day was filling the pill.
Since that is on right now, you have to put the screws back in. Uh-oh, where'd they go? Okay, I got them. So you should mark them where they are first, like large, and one more, which is now you have to get your Torx 10 again and just screw all of them in.
I mean, if it did, you think anybody would ever rip the rocks from a bat with pipes from Peterson? If that were the case, he'd go wire to wire on his career without ever putting it on the ground. I mean, look at the guy. It's not physical, it's mental, and it's mechanical. First it gets in your head, then when you reach the second level, you're jacked up fundamentally, and then you are officially a fumbler. Good news is, you can fix it, keep you covered in, but not by lugging around a 14-pound football filled with sand. Number 4 is not going to turn and hand you a medicine ball. He's still giving you a football. Fumbling is not about the biceps, it's about the brain. So the Vikings better hope that something like this works, or it could derail a Super Bowl season and a Hall of Fame career. Guys this electorate should not be on the decline entering their 4th season.
I think February will be playing the Super Bowl.
Pressure on
Tough pressure. I mean, let's put it this way. I mean, he thinks that too. And so does every player on that team. So I don't think there's any pressure on it. We just got to go out and do it.
So first, Miami Dolphins owner Steve Ross said he expects his team to go to the Super Bowl next year, and then he chased that statement with an even crazier one. He says he hopes that Chad Henne could go down as their best quarterback ever. Quote, I'm sure, and I'm hoping as everybody else is, that he goes down as the greatest quarterback in Miami Dolphin history, and you know what that will mean. Yeah, we do. That you just compared Chad Henne to Hall of Famer Dan Marino. We need you to know that Dan Marino is one of the greatest quarterbacks ever, and that Chad Henne is Chad Henne, right?
Chad Henne rocks.
You better get them to the Super Bowl this year, like your owner just predicted, because anything less than that is a failure, because that's exactly what Marino did in his 2nd year. And well, your owner just compared you to him. Now you might want to keep Dan Marino's name out of your mouth and adjust your expectations, boss. And instead of comparing Henne to Marino, just hope that he's better than the guy that he's trying to replace, Chad Pennington, a tremendous leader and a gamer that everybody expected. Dan Marino, this guy's nowhere near Jake Fiedler yet. Later on, you'll get my take on Steven Strasburg making his much-anticipated Major League debut. But coming up next, NBA analyst and Hall of Famer Kevin McHale joins me. Don't go anywhere.
Jim Rome is turning. Brought to you by Wendy's. You know when it's real.
Is this Doggy Meal Deluxe?
No. Deluxe needs a special ingredient. Now it's Deluxe. Some places add much to that. But the one with Deluxe will give it a work. New barbecue bacon looks value. Applewood smoked bacon and barbecue sauce.
the power of a supercar. Then we gave it the precision of a Lexus. And in turn, wrote a new definition of what's possible for an automobile.
Phase 2.
This is the pursuit of the impossible. This is the pursuit of perfection.
This summer, there's a new excitement in the air. A new adventure on the horizon. And a new prize around town. Yakura Espacial.
Oh boy.
From Disney Pixar. Who's ready for 3D?
You would not believe what I've been through tonight.
Oh, sorry guys, I've been talking a lot. The screws won't go back in. Yeah, I kind of forgot some video. So these three are just gonna go inside. I'm just gonna put it back together normally. So this is what you have to do first. Get this big one with no silver part in it and put it back in. Figure it out later. I've even been talking a lot.
From Los Angeles, it's Along with Rome.
Welcome back, my guest is a three-time NBA champion and a Hall of Famer, and currently an analyst for NBA TV. I'm joined by Kevin McHale. Kevin, great to have you. How are you? I'm doing great. You're sitting in Boston Harbor on the waterfront. Good to see you. Good, Kevin. Great to have you. Well, I think going in game number 3, the Celtics win game 2 to bring it back.
Okay, that's good. I'm kind of like fucking annoying my Xbox right now. But I advise you not try this because it's kind of stupid for no reason. Try to open it. It was fun. Put that back on right there. Then put the top back on the hard drive. Have you ever seen the Liberty Kids? Because that show's like awesome. Like the song is like stuck in my fucking head. And you need your top back on, and you're like all done actually. That was a big waste of my time, but have fun doing this. Crap. And bye-bye.
And you know, Ray is Kobe's a much better on the ball defender where he's up in the ball. He gets himself wired in defensively very well on the ball.
Okay.
I think off the ball sometimes.
You put this back on. It is perfect as new, not really.
If you're on Ray Allen, you can't
Okay.
ball watch it out. You gotta get
And I'll see if it's working. Check.
So I think for a couple different reasons,
Uh-oh, my hard drive just fell out. I advise you not try this because it's such a bad idea.
And just attack you on the offensive end. He's just too good. Yeah, Kevin, I can't imagine the series come down or it's run about any one thing, but if it did, it might depend on whether or not Ray was consistently in the paint. For instance, if he gets in there and that's what he does, his Lakers win this series. Yeah, I think so. I think Ronnie's got to be able to break him down, but we've got that leaving some.
Putting it back in right now.
They're attacking that Lakers late before the Lakers get set. You know, the paint, so semi-breaks, you got to get Rondo in the break, you put Ronnie in the ball, get in there. You got to get the ball going from side to side.
Okay, sounds it. Okay, YouTube. Rate, subscribe. Peace.